Hi there, this is Trevor, and I'm here to do a review of IE9. Now, uh, this is Microsoft's latest browser. Uh, as you'll know from the popular Internet Explorer browsers from 6, 7, 8, this is version 9, and Microsoft's made some significant changes to the way the web browser works, mostly taking cues from Google Chrome and Firefox. So, first thing we're going to go over is on the left hand side, you can see there is a large back button followed by a smaller forward button. Then here you have the URL box with a little magnifying glass that shows the search right here. So when you click on the magnifying glass, it turns the URL bar into a search bar, so you can do a search for things like libraries. In this case, we're going to do search for the St. Albert Public Library. See there, and then beside the search magnifying glass, we have this little down arrow that shows you your history and your favorites. Beside that, we have a refresh button there, and we have a stop button beside that, red X. And then we have our tab bars, which when you roll over it shows the URL that you're on. New tab button. Going all the way to the right hand side for the home. The star button with the favorites, feeds, and history. And you can also expand that, pin it to the side. And the gear on the right hand side for the different tools and features in Internet Explorer that you would normally find in the menu bars. Another thing you'll notice with Internet Explorer 9 is there are no menu bars. Again, taking cues from Google and Firefox, having removed that. If you want to re-add them, all you merely have to do is right-click in anywhere in this kind of bar area here. If you right-click, you'll see menu bar, favorites bar, command bar, status bar. You can lock, you can show tabs on separate rows. I'm just going to undo all that right now. And on the top right hand side you have the minimize, the window button, maximize button, and the close button. Now, the default search in Internet Explorer 9 is Bing. So if you want to add a different search provider, basically the way Microsoft has it set up, they have it set up very unfriendly. We'll say it like that. So if you want to add, say, Google to your search provider, the only way to do that is to go to Google and do a search for Internet Explorer's search in Google. Because if you go to Microsoft and try get an add-on, right here you can see the get add-on search providers. I'm going to pick that. There is no Google here. I have well.ca, I have Red Flag Deals, Bing, eBay, and Amazon. There's no Google. So what I'm going to do I'm going to open a new tab. I'm going to go to Google. Then I'm going to type in the following search. IE default search provider. And then it's going to bring up a whole bunch of different searches. And the one I want is from Microsoft.com, Windows, IE Search Guide. And there's the little preview with the little magnifying glass, which doesn't appear to be working right now. There we go. So this is the default page for IE8 that you get when you load IE8. So I'm just going to click on that link. And here you can add all the different search engines. You have Yahoo, Lycos, Ask, AOL, About, Superpages, MySpace, Microsoft. So you can click on those, add those. See, I've already installed it on my browser, but if I didn't, it would take me through the install process to show that. I will do Yahoo. See, you can choose to make it default search provider, that kind of thing. And then you would click on add. So that's it for IE9. I hope that was helpful. Feel free to go through this video again and again and again. If there's anything that you have any questions about, please feel free to contact me.